dentist. Can you remove your cat? Hi kings and queens, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Welcome to another vlog. I'm dressing up. I'm going to work. I'm going to show you what I have been using on my face. I got these for serums from Noon. They are testers, but I'm using all of them, but I will show you. You see this calming serum? This one? This is the best. Whenever I put it on my face, it feels like, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels so nice. They are all good, and this Revive is very nice. This glow serum, whenever also you put it on your face starts glowing. And then for the cream, I've been using this one. This is a collagen elastin cream. This one from California Gold Nutrition. This one, so nice. And for the toner, you will put the picture here because I'm using it to hold my phone. I'm using the toner from Anwa. It is so nice, you guys, the toner. The only problem I have with it, it's that it's like water, like, but it's nice, you guys. It's so nice. And for the sunscreen, I've been using this sunscreen. This one, it's a Korean product, and it's Beauty of Ginseng. It's so nice, you guys. It's very nice. It doesn't leave like white cast on my face, and I can see the difference. Yeah, so that's what I've been using. And sometimes under my eyes, I use my Vaseline. And for my underarms, I use this Dove Go Fresh, and it's so nice. I think I just sprayed it. I didn't shake it well, but whenever you want to use it, first shake it. So this is the one I use. I bought 3 of them. Yeah, so I'm not going to buy any very soon because I still have 2 full. Yes. And for my face, I'm still using this one. It's done. I'm still using this Anwa. This is the best, you guys. This one, best cleansing oil. This double cleansing oil, it's so nice, you guys. It's very nice. If you can, you need to try it. So that's what I've been using, you guys. These are my products that I've been using. I woke up in the morning. Tell me why I am missing my mom. Like, I miss my mom so much. So much. Do you guys miss your mom sometimes? Right now, I'm going to soak my boss's kanduras. In Uganda, we call these a kanzu. Every Eid, he buy new kanzus, new kanduras. So he told me to just soak them in water without sabun or without any detergent. And then I hang them. After drying, I should not iron them. I should just fold them and give them back to him so that he can take them out for ironing. He bought for him and for his 2 sons. He has 2 young sons. So for the kids, I'm going to iron them. But for him, I'm just going to wash them, dry them, and fold them, give them to him so that he can take them out for ironing. Skin to skin, something was spoken. So right right now I'm going to iron, because if I don't iron now in the evening, I will not have time to do that, because every evening we have a lot of people in the house.
Daybreak, shadows fade. You step back, I step away.
And after ironing, I will later hang the kanduras or the kanzus for them to dry. These are for Eid, so we are going to take our time because Eid is next week. So here they also prepare themselves for Eid, like us, the way we prepare ourselves for Christmas. They buy new clothes, new shoes, everything new. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see me. We came to the dentist and it's late, you guys. I think it's like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. It's 10:38. It's already late. We came to the dentist, and I hate this place. I hate running errands at night. I hate it when my bosses send me for errands at night. Why? I don't like driving at night. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I hate it so much. I hate driving at night. If they know, they would stop sending me for errands at night. I hate it so much. And I have never found parking on this place. This place is always packed with cars. I've never found parking. Now I have to keep on like rolling around. Like I have to keep on turning around until the girl comes back. Or until someone removes their car so that I can park, and I have to pay for that parking, you guys, though I'm not the one who pay. So whenever I find a place, I call my boss so that she can pay for the parking, but I don't have any hope, so I'm going to keep on turning around until I find parking. Hello, Rhoda. Nam.
Are you fine?
Not yet.
Okay. When you find the call.
You finish?
No.
Okay. I'm still turning around, like, no, I don't have any hope of finding any.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's her. This person is like he's going to leave, but he doesn't leave. Last time I was parking near the road, near the cars. I think the traffic, I don't know. They came and told me, please, madam, can you remove your car? I was like, okay. It's that one. Right there.